Maya, can you say nose?
No.
Where's your nose? Where's Maya's nose? Yeah, good. Can you say toes?
Shoe.
Shoe? No, you don't have shoes on. What does a frog say?
Stop.
Yeah. What does a doggy say? What does an elephant say? What does a tiger say?
Mike, can you say Elmo? Elmo.
Can you say Nate?
No.
Can you say mommy?
Mama.
Can you say Brayden?
Gaga.
Gaga. Where's dog? Yeah, dog. What does a kitty say?
No.
What does a cow say?
No.
What does a monkey say? What does an owl say?
No.
Ooh, yeah. What does a pig say? That's right. Okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Can you say I love you? Love you. Can you blow a kiss?
Ma.
Okay, see ya.
Goodbye, YouTube people.
Bye.